can't believe that it's been over a month since we filmed together.
Reunited and it feels so good.
Oh yeah.
No, it's summertime, which means it's just the season of leave. Everyone goes on leave and goes on their vacation. So I'm guessing
some more than others.
Yes, yes. But we have so much to get into, so let's get right into it.
Thanks so much to everyone who participated in our first YouTube contest. We got so much great feedback and ideas, so we're looking forward to bringing lots of new videos to you and possibly more contests with some great gifts. So I know everyone is waiting. Drum roll, please. Can you do a drum roll?
Yeah. It's not
and our winner is Tiffany Meggett. Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Is that Christmas music? I am so not ready. But if you're ready to start shopping, make sure you head to Christmas in July on July 14th at Nelson Fitness Center. There's something for everyone on your list, so get started early.
Heather, I'm not ready for Christmas, but I am ready with this heat for the pool. Me and my kids will be going on July 20th to the outdoor pool for the dive-in movie. The movies are always rated PG-13 and under, and you are sure to have a great time. So bring your float and come out and relax with us.
Wait a minute, ma'am. Let's back it up a little bit. You forgot about the 3D archery tournament.
Oh, yeah.
The Sportsman's Complex is holding this tournament, and it's for 5 years of age and up on July 15th. And the best part, they're giving out prizes for first, second, and third place. The fun begins at 9:30.
Have you seen Cheaper by the Dozen?
Of course, and I've also seen Cheaper by the Dozen too.
Well, if you haven't seen either of the Cheaper by the Dozens, make sure to visit Dinner Theater July 20th through August 4th for their production of Cheaper by the Dozen.
Okay, so you have 4 kids within the age range of 3 to 15.
Yeah.
Have you taken them bowling?
No, not yet.
Well, kids ages 3 to 15 have a chance to bowl for free at Gordon Lane's Bowling Center.
Shut up.
Yeah. All summer long, Monday through Thursday, with a shoe rental. That's it. That's all you do. It's not eligible for large parties, but take your 4 kids, go get 2 games of free bowling.
That's so dope.
All summer until August 4th.
As always, guys, if you want to know more information, you can stay connected visiting our social media, our FYI magazine, or go to gordon.armymwr.com.
We out, Fort Gordon!
Bye!
I know, I rolled my eyes over.
She was feeling
for Christmas in July on
Thankfully, every time I look through the rear mirror, she's like this.
Connected or want to know what's going on, make sure to visit us. Visit more about what's going on, or stay connected with us. Visit what's going on. One more time.
Oh my goodness!
Snap my nose.
Get it together.